Good morning. It's Monday morning. I have a lot to do. So to go and change into my dera and then kashughulike na shughuli za nyumba hii. Last week I didn't vlog because I vlogged, edited, and while I was trying to save the video, the file was too big, so I had to delete some videos for it, and I ended up deleting, like the original footage, and since I did not save, everything disappeared, so I had no vlog to save. That's why I couldn't post. I was so sad. Hopefully you didn't miss me, but I've learned my lesson, and I'll be like I'll be careful with this vlog. I'm doing the last one. I think this will be easier. The other side was harder. Okay. This one's like pointed. Oh God, I am finished. Like, can you guys notice the difference? If you can, then I'm finished, I think. Let me tie something. Like tie something. Maybe by the time I'm done, they'll be equal. I feel like this is stupid. Don't mind the clothes at the back. I've been changing my clothes for like, I don't know how long, probably half an hour. I'm putting on clothes. I'm like, this is the last option, and I'll be like, I can't do this anymore. I was like, I'm tired and I need to go, else I'll be late. So apparently there's a difference. I know you can see it, This one is ting and this one is I'm gonna just tie them up. No, I think that's better. I'm wearing a kimono and a black dress. Yeah, I feel like I'm ready. Updates. I had a work meeting today that was cancelled, so that's out of the way. Right now I'm going to school, and I think I'll vlog afterwards. No, on my way going there. I think I'll vlog afterwards, so see you guys later. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm confused. So today's Tuesday, and nakula karanga. Right now it's Satano. So I had this idea of creating content in this place, this plain wall, but this room was a mess. So I was like, I'm going to clean and do everything in the morning. But I woke up late. The cleaning, the moving, and everything was just a mess. So let me show you guys my setup. Let me move this so you can see it. So this is the door, but nimehang clothes open na kule for videos, shoes, stand, fan because it's hot in this room, the table, and my other things down there. So let's get to it. So, God, I'm about to fall. So first I'm going to make like hair videos and a makeup video. Where was this standing in the beginning? Huh? I had such a good. I think something like this will be okay. Yeah. So guys, let me just get to it because life goes on. So I have like an hour and some minutes to do everything, and I plan to make a lot of content. God, let me just start. Probably I'll show you guys when I'm using the other device. I'll show you what I'll be doing, because right now I'm using the phone to film. The light is good, so let me switch on the ring lights. Better. I think this is okay today. So right now I'm done filming. I'm about to shoot some other type of content. I'm so scared, but let me put you guys here so that I'm not looking at the camera. Let me put you guys here so that don't mind the mess, so that you will see. Okay. Anyways, I don't know where to put you guys, but I need to use this ring light. Ring light. So this is the second look. I'm going to start with sneakers because so I've changed again. I have no one to help me tie my zip. So I'm waiting on someone. It is so hot. I don't know what I would have done because it is hot. I don't know. Changing clothes every time, it's another form of exercise. So I'm done with what I was doing, and right now I think I'm going to eat. Guys. And nikimaliza nianze kwenda I need to take off my makeup. Guys, do you know how easy it is to take off makeup? Let me show you. Get Vaseline, tissue, or if you have a cloth, take a good amount. Did I? I didn't finish. But I'm done. I don't know what I will do. But God, did I just do this? Oh God, I didn't finish. I'm finished. So I'll think of something probably. Yeah, but we're gone. So you spend a good amount of time here. Be gentle to your skin. Once you're done, just kufuta, it's easier. I would advise you to use a piece of cloth, because this tissue of a very soft tissue. Do we look like we have makeup on? No. I didn't film here, guys, because it was such a lot of work and I accomplished everything. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy. So good morning, guys. Today is Friday and today we have a lot to do. So first, let me start by showing you guys this PR. Okay, I got PR goodies from Zen Organics. You guys go check them out on Instagram. So I received the sun. I received this Bao. I don't know if you can see, but I think I'll show you guys. Bao body oil, and what else? Bar soap. Turmeric and seaweed bar soap. honey, I can't wait to try. So the products I will be trying this month, and the review is going to be at the end of the month, but you guys are going to see like the first impression and everything. Yeah, so right now I'm going to do my home chores, but later I'm going to be, today I have an event to attend in the afternoon, evening probably, so I'm going to be creating content around that, but also behind the scenes and stuff. So let's go Friday. Just got Friday. Hi guys, I came back home like 45 minutes ago. I'm just so tired. I think I recorded not much. I didn't get time to vlog because your girl was late. I was late by 2 hours. I was the worst late. I don't know how to say it, but I was very late, but it was all good. I mean, if you ask me the reason why I was late, I was this nervous, very anxious. Like the whole day was just a mess for me. It finally got strength. I was talking to a friend of mine, and my friend cheered me on, so I went. Although I was late, the event was good. I actually learned a few things, but they were very important. So the event was about the launch of Kopatana. I hope you know the app. It's like an online mall, but right now they were like rebranding, and not rebranding, but adding services. Like they want to sell Kopatana to be an app whereby they sell services, whereby you can look for jobs, services. For example, as an artist, you can sell your work, maybe tickets or anything. So it's all about that, and they're kind enough to share goodies with us. So I got this very nice notebook that I needed. A cap that I tried it on and I stained it. I don't know if you can see, but it's cap Kopatana, and a mug. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with the mugs, coffee mugs. So yeah, I'm all about the gifts, honey. Anyway, so this is the end of the vlog. So I want to make a quick announcement. So I was thinking of changing the posting date from Friday to somewhere weekdays, you know, maybe Monday or Tuesday. So guys, let me know in the comment section like which day will be good. I hope it's not Monday, I hope it's Tuesday or Wednesday, that I can have a whole week of vlogging and editing over the weekend, in case like I don't have events over the weekend. Post them during like a weekday. I think it makes sense. Anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope it doesn't get lost. Thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for sticking around. Yeah, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Introduce my channel to your friends, guys. And yeah, that's all. Good night, because I'm tired. Good night, guys, and have a great week. I don't know. Enjoy.